Like every trader, I'm always looking for new trading opportunities. And for me, there's only one place to go for that, and that's RadarScreen in TradeStation. What really sets TradeStation apart is that each column in RadarScreen is either a real-time data column or a real-time technical indicator. We call both of these columns in TradeStation studies. Normally, you can only look at technical historical studies in a chart, but in RadarScreen, every row is a chart, with access to the same intervals and historical data your studies require. But instead of viewing a study on one symbol in one chart window, you can view that study on hundreds of symbols all at the same time in one RadarScreen window. And did I mention this is all happening in real time at whatever bar interval that you need? Notice the interval column here in RadarScreen. It's set to 5 minutes. That means every row in RadarScreen is a 5-minute chart. Just like in a chart, you can change the interval. You can change the interval for a group of symbols, for all the symbols, or for just one row. Let's right-click on the symbol column header. If I go to time frame, I can select any of the pre-built intervals, or I can customize the interval for all the symbols. Let's change all the symbols to daily. I'm going to click OK. And now we have a window of daily charts. Now this is where the fun really begins, because now we can add technical historical study columns to the window. Let's go to Studies, Add Study. Here we can see all the columns that we can add to the window. And the technical historical studies have a checkbox next to the name. Let's add the stochastic slow indicator to the window. I'm going to come down here to stochastic. There we are. I'm going to click Add and move it into the window right below last. I'm going to click OK. RadarScreen calculates that study for all of the symbols, and we can see those values here in the window. If I need to format the inputs for stochastic, I can right-click on the column heading, go to Studies, and edit stochastic slow for all symbols. Here I have a list of all the inputs, and I can make any changes that I need to, and click OK. Hey, look at this. This is really cool. I can sort on the stochastic value column heading, slow D. Just by double-clicking on the column heading, I can see those symbols that are the most oversold, or double-click again and see those that are most overbought, based on the stochastic indicator. Thanks for watching this Trade Bite.